Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's vlog. We have a very exciting day, and from the title you can see there's a lot going on. And I am late for my day, so we're gonna get it. But of course, we're gonna start our morning by showing the pup. Good morning. Hello. Can I get paw? Yeah, good morning. Okay, so we are about to head to a Tesla dealership because my brother is picking up his brand new Tesla Model 3. Oh my God, I am so excited. Outfit check. I know you all love seeing my outfits and stuff, so peep game right now. Boom, boom, look at this top. Oh, the accessorize, you know? All right, oh, I need to get my bottoms real quick, hold up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, what you know about that? What you know about that? Okay, let's get the day started. It's a big day.
Oh yeah, big day.
Excited?
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
We're in a weird parking lot.
Yeah, I know.
This is not how I got mine, but this is nice. This is good. Oh my lord. Look at this man. Blacked out. Blacked out.
Everything black.
Oh man.
But that's why everything
Yeah.
is white.
I'm so hyped for this man, bro. Shout out to my mom. Congrats. Oh my God. I'm really jealous of like the blacked out accents on there. It's just murdered out. So good. Oh, look at the wood on the boy. Look at you steezing out. That looking natural.
Yeah.
Oh my, smells. What does it smell like in here?
New car.
Brand new ass car,
New
huh?
car.
Right, mom? Oh my. Look at that. But congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Drive safe. Bye, mom. That's a wrap. And then there's mine. Mine's all right, people. So I am back at home. It feels good to be back in here. My brother and my mom went out to go get lunch or brunch or whatever after the Tesla delivery, and I am so happy for my brother. He's a good kid, very, very smart. He's deserved it, and I'm glad that he got something that he can, you know, use and be reliable for when he goes to college. So he has 2 more years left in college. He's going to be the first pack in the family to get a college degree in America, so I'm very, very excited for that and proud of him. So Brian, if you're watching this, much love to you, kid. Now let's do a sales update. Right now I'm home. I have a meeting in about an hour. Afterwards, after that meeting, I'm going to my mom's house because that is where the notary is going to go to basically have me get everything signed for the house, get all that situated, and then give them my cashier's check deposit for the house, and then finalize everything. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. And then afterwards, I have more things to do with some homies, but I'm gonna give you guys a sales update on business right now. So I know you guys love seeing that. So it's about noon, a little bit past noon right now. Done over $500 for the day so far. You know, fun fact actually, typically around noon is when I kind of can gauge like how much like I'm gonna make at the end of the day. So usually if I make $500 before noon or by noon, I'm likely gonna have like $1,000 day at least. So or over that. So that's what I'm hoping for, predicting. Hopefully my predictions are right. It's gonna be embarrassing when I show you guys my end sales for the day and then it's not, but you know, it is what it is, right? But we're gonna do our best for that, and let's get back to work. Oh, obviously gotta show my boy. Hello. Why are you shy? Why you looking away? Hello. Such a good boy, huh, papas? Let me put y'all on game to my new favorite protein bar. Okay, this is from Alani. This is their fit snack. The cookies and cream, oh my god, so fire. I'm not sponsored by them, but I wish I was. That's how good it is, right? So look at this. Let me show y'all right now. I just like randomly tried it at GNC one time. I was like, I just feel like trying something new. Had a bite. My whole life fucking changed right there. Ooh, look at that. Focus. All right, people, so now we are gonna head over to my mom's house so we can go sign the documents with the notary, give the check, and get it situated. Let's get it.
Very excited.
All right, guys, I am with my man here. This is the notary who's helping me go through this whole process, and I'm very excited about this. Introduce yourself real quick.
Mirko Castillo, Notary Public, California, Southern California, mobile notary for quite over 14 years. Love this, always masked up just to be safe and not spreading things out. But always enjoy this time, first-time buyers, assisting them with, first-time buying and
super grateful.
Closing their loan documents.
Absolutely.
I know, definitely a blessing.
Super grateful. Yes, very much so. And so we're gonna sign some things up and get the show on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, officially signed all of the documents for escrow. The notary helped me get through the whole thing. We are done. Officially a Honover. Gave my money away in the cashier check, so that shit is gone. And now your boy is set. And tomorrow I pick up keys. So I'm gonna continue the vlog on to the next day so you guys can see the keys, the house, everything, the whole shebang. So much going on, so much, I cannot believe it. As of the rest of tonight, I'm probably gonna start like packing things up. I think that's really it, other than I'm also going to Dick's Sporting Goods because life update, my gym friends have volunteered me to play softball with them. So I have to go to Dick's Sporting Goods to get cleats, pants, a bat. I've never played softball in my life. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it's gonna be fun. They've never played it in their life either, so it's gonna be a unique experience for all of us. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna be doing that tonight to go shopping for baseball stuff. I gotta rely on my coordination. I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But that's gonna be tonight. Let me give you guys a sales update on the business. Let's see what's going on today. All right. Would you look at that? Look at them numbers. All right, so it's about almost 4 p.m. We're already at over $900, so we're definitely going to break $1,000 today. So let's go Q4. We're on track, and it's gonna be a good time. So life is good. I appreciate everything. I'm blessed. I can't believe it, man. So life is good, and I'm very, very grateful to be where I'm at right now. And shout out to my friends, my supporters, my mom, my dog, and myself. Let's go. Latest pickup on shoes. Got some Axel Arigato. These are white leather shoes. These are super crispy. This is gonna be an essential piece for my wardrobe for sure. This is just nice. It's a good summer shoe, very versatile, and hopefully easy to clean, but we'll see. All right, people, we are back from the store. I can't believe this. I bought a damn bat. I bought baseball shoes, which are coming in on Friday. I got a whole ass, look at this, gloves. And yes, these are women's gloves, but the design is fire, bro. Like, going all out, man. I'm going into this softball game, I'm gonna look fire, even if I look like a fool. And then, of course, the glove. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. But yeah, so that's just it right there. The homies got things as well. And then, let's see. Let's check up on the sales for the day. It is 7 p.m. Boom, over $1,000. We hit our goal today of over $1,000, which I'm very, very happy about. So I think probably $1,100, maybe even $1,200 for the day so far. We'll see, but at least we broke the goal today of over $1,000. So happy with that. But yeah, I'm gonna have dinner, dude. I so much is going on. I have so much things prioritized. This week for sure is gonna be like, I'm dialing back on the work, my business and things like that, just so I can focus on the house and moving. So that's gonna be the game plan. So for now, this is gonna be in the back burner for a little bit. Let me take a little break so I can kind of focus. Then we'll be back into it. But that's the end of today's vlog. I'm gonna wait until the next clips tomorrow so you guys show the house and stuff like that. I'm just like really excited right now. But stay tuned. We're still gonna move on to the next day. Let's do it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the next day. Today, we're starting off this morning with heading to the gym. Of course, my favorite gym, Rain. All right, so today, right now it's like 9 in the morning. We're gonna head to the gym, heading over and meeting with my best friend, Nate. So let's get it. In here with the one and only Yetter. Oh, dude, you're looking pretty crispy in the shot though, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, it's looking pretty crispy in here.
I fucked with it.
4K. Squats today. Can you focus? Thank you. And
Let's get it.
all right, people, it has been quite a hectic few days because it's literally the next day. I got the keys to the house, which are right here. It's awesome. But some confusion about like the walkthrough, the home tour. I didn't get a confirmation time. They said it was at 3 o'clock, but no one told me this. So today, this morning, I'm gonna go and have my walkthrough of my house just to finalize everything. But I already seen the house, obviously. But this is a good opportunity to show you guys. And then also yesterday, when I went to Best Buy, I spent a total of, is that $6,000? $6,000 on TV, refrigerator, washer, dryer, installation, all that stuff. So that's supposed to come in next week. Yeah, it had to be done. There's no other choice. But we are gonna go over right now to the house so I can show you guys finally the property, the house and everything. Probably do some like B-roll, you know, cinematic stuff right here. And yeah, so let's do it. Also, I have basically cleared out most of my apartment. You guys know this desk right here. That's basically where I usually do work. But most of the apartment is cleared. I just need to basically handle my room and the kitchen. That's really it. So kitchen with all the plates and whatnot, and then my room with all my clothes and shoes and sneakers, whatnot. So I need to handle that. But for the most part, the living room situation is basically done. I'm selling my couch. They're getting picked up today, so thankfully. And yeah, that's the update. So let's go to the house. Let's just make it happen. All right, people, that is a wrap. I literally just had my first night at the new crib and I slept like a baby, bro. It was a great night. I had a good night. Now the only predicament I have is that there's not a lot of cell service out here and I don't have any internet here either. So it's kind of hard to be, on the socials or to watch Netflix or anything like that for now. But Tuesday I'll get my internet in and everything. But first night here, great. Comfortable, feels like home, and it was really like I woke up and I was like, damn, like this is mine. And right before I went to bed I was like, damn, this is mine. Like I have a garage, like this whole area is just mine. That's my master bathroom. Like I couldn't be more grateful. And I gotta give shout outs to my realtor, my mom, my friends, all you guys, everyone who's been kind of like been a part of this journey. I appreciate you guys. I got a lot of day ones from like when I was in my fitness career and everything, and I really owe a lot, and I couldn't be more grateful. And I don't know, it's just a lot. And obviously I put in a lot of work as well with my Amazon businesses, but the support of the people who some people who believed in me, it helped me stay committed to the goal, because I didn't want to let myself down and I didn't want to let those who believed in me down as well. So I owe a lot of that to you guys, and thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel. This is a new chapter into my life and I'm so happy, and it just feels like such an upgrade. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want to fucking get too emotional before I start tearing up in here. But thank you for all the years of, you know, support and growth. And there's going to be way more to come. I'm going to keep going. It doesn't stop here. It continues. This is just a stepping stone. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I want to note that this property as well is not meant to be like my forever home. This is meant to be like a rental property later. So I'm going to live in it for a year or two or something like that, and then rent it out to create some kind of long-term passive income. All right. So this is not meant to be my forever home. This is a rental property in the future. But for now, I'm going to live in it, enjoy it, make the best out of it later. But anyways, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I got a long day ahead of me of packing and whatnot. So I will see you guys later. And as always, go make that money. Peace.